What's up, guys? Welcome to my first episode of my road to first payout video. So, yeah, let's just hop right into my daily bias. I'm gonna be doing a live trade, and yeah, hopefully me recording and posting these will help me make less bad impulsive decisions. So. Immediately off the bat, I see this 4 hour fair value gap that price tapped into overnight. Bang. Right here. You have this inversion here. No immediate draws for me. Oh, I can mark out this daily previously high and fair value gap here. Okay. I think this is going to be my main draw. Look for this 1 hour here. Yeah, okay. We'll definitely be looking for some longs here today. This is a 1 hour. All right. So if we look on the 1 minute here, or sorry, 15 minute, I see this intermediate high here that'll act as my TP. Now, yeah, honestly, for my daily bias and stuff, I just like marking stuff out and then making scenarios of what price would try to do. Um, it's the most comfortable way for me. I don't know if there is any other way, but perfect. We could rebalance this leg here. All right, where our fair value gap is. Okay. So I have no really clear clear bias here. I mean, we are reacting off this 4 hour value gap and we inverse, so I'm leaning more towards bullish further right now. So yeah, let me just write this down. So if we look on the 15 minute here, bullish bias on the day, price is respecting time frame, bullish, and disrespecting bearish ones is a daily unmitigated FVG. Bang. So what do I want to see here on market open? So my ideal scenario, my scenario one, I want to see price open bearish here. I want to see price open bearish, comma, open bearish, fill the 1 hour FVG. It's my key level. Fill the 1 hour FVG. We'll look for the highest time frame inversion or form of confirmation out of that manipulation leg down into this 1 hour for value gap. TP will be at the 15-minute intermediate high. All right, so let's say that is scenario 1, and in my head, that's kind of the only thing I see happening. It'll look something like this. Where are these, like, where are these little things? I'm trying to look for like the lines to draw. Oh, right here. Right? I don't know, a path. Alright, so I'm looking for something like this. Market opens down here. And then from there, get this little inversion here. And then from there, we'll do something like that. Oh, shit. Oh, okay. Well, down, inverse, down a little bit, up. That is the plan. Towards these 15-minute intermediate highs. This is the main draw. Let's look at what we have down here. We have this 15-minute. This 15-minute as well. If you look on the 30-minute, yeah, these are both 30 minutes also. 1 hour unfilled fair value gap. 1 hour FVG slash 30-minute intermediate high or low. Oops. This is just a 30-minute intermediate. Yeah, I'm just marking out everything. Doesn't hurt. I like how I trade is I like trading on trading view, and then I like placing the actual trade on my top step. I just like the indicators, like it just feels more natural on the setup. But yeah, you could say it's a crutch, but I don't really care. This is a 30-minute. Okay, so that is the daily bias here. We'll do another scenario here. So let's say, so our main draw is this daily for value gap. It is shift, click on the chart, shift, click on the chart. This is 100 points away. So another scenario. Scenario 2. If price opens bullish, opens bullish and fills the daily FEG, I will be looking for a reversal and too short from that key level. When I refer to like to short and all that stuff, obviously when the setup presents, it's just a scenario. Like I want to see the price go up to this daily bearish for value gap, and then from there we'll wait for our setup, which is probably fill this right here, and then yeah. Oh, I should mark that one too. So we have bang, bang. We can just mark, damn, we can just mark this one, honestly. This is a 30-minute high. Okay, and then my scenario 3. It helps me keep me organized having these scenarios down. So I I'm only paying attention to what I want to see, so I'm not like distracted from all the noise and stuff. If price opens bullish, and I want to take continuations longs up to the daily FEG. So let's say price does something like this. I'm gonna see this go back a little bit. We don't have to reach this, but back a little bit, and then from there. Anyways, yeah, that's is the bias for the day. Um, yeah. So I guess in the meantime, a little backstory. My name's Jeffrey. I'm 20 years old, and I've been trading for around 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 7 months now. September of 2025 is when I started. So yeah. Well, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna title this video "I'm done blowing accounts. Day one of the road to first payout." But yeah, this is kind of like that was kind of the reason I know I started as all traders start. Had my ego, had my wins, and then from there, like a string of losing days. Wanted to always be right, was over leveraging, over trading, and in my head, it was mainly because it was like no one was watching. So like I was the only one doing stuff, and so like if I took this, would anybody know? Like I wouldn't just say, but like I feel like airing out all my decisions and my bias and all that stuff, like my thought process, it'll definitely help me be more less impulsive. So like I'm only making the decisions I would want to make, that I would want people to see. So like I don't want people to see me like over leveraging or over trading. I want to take my one trade or no trade. And yeah, so that's kind of the whole point of me starting this channel. I don't want to be a content creator or nothing like that. I just need some accountability or like an extra form of pressure. So yeah, we have market open in 5 minutes here. Let me see what I can whip out of my ass. Um, the model I trade, it's PB Blake's mech model, I believe, where it's just key level gets hit, inversion for confirmation, and then retrace into a continuation, confirmation out of that, and then entry. So entry is IFVGs. I use IFVG, CISD, a lot of that. But I am comfortable with taking a patty swing though, if I have one. So off the bat here in this pre-market, I see that we're respecting this bearish gap. I'm just marking it out because I definitely see price opening here. How many points? 70 points? Yeah, we can definitely make it. Opening lower here off of this 5 minute. So like let's say I was in a, no, I'm not gonna do that. But anyways, yeah. But we're just chilling for now. I try to make some protein milk tea. I'm not mad at it, but it's kind of ass, low key. Um, well, there is one right here as well. But the reason I liked, like, if we take this range here, equilibrium of this 30-minute range, it's in line with this. Okay, so I took the, okay. Honestly, I'm pretty sure this is how equilibrium works, but you know, yeah. So, anyways, it's from what's it called, low here, high. From the low to the high, the equilibrium is 0.5 or 50% mark here. And how I use it is I just make sure, so like when the fair value gaps are stacked like this, like I don't know which one to use sometimes, but I know that price has to rebalance to equilibrium. So I would probably want to wait for this second fair value gap to get hit. I'm not really as comfortable with this first one getting hit just because we could go back down to equilibrium slash this fair value gap. So yeah, that is kind of the thought process right now. And yeah, but oh shit. Anyways, yeah. I have my YouTube muted today. I like listening to music while I trade, but I wasn't sure how that was gonna go with, you know what? I could just turn it on right now, low key. It's working. I can't tell. Hello. Oh my gosh, I hope it's not too loud. Anyways, yeah. So I think it's working. Yeah, but I like listening like some chill shit. Okay, we'll just do it like right there, cause I feel like right there you can hear it. Hopefully. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's just like some chill lo-fi shit. So I also, it's cause like if I listen to something with lyrics, I cannot focus like at all. Anyways, yeah, 6:29. Price is about to market is about to open. Now let's see which one of our models here. Okay, so immediately tapped into this 15-minute here. Another thing I want to do is I want to mark out 9:30 a.m. highs and lows. See, look, bam. Can we get lower? Rebalance here. Oh damn, this is a 1 hour. Okay, I mean this is a 1 minute, but so this is the first one. But main draw is gonna be this 9:30 high then. Okay, so we're in that first one. I mean, there's probably like, yeah, waiting for a fair value gap to form. Yeah, so this is the first fair value gap. I did want to see this one. but we can see what price does. Or it can just shoot up too. That works. Low key. I'm just gonna be patient here. I've been taking too many like patty swing PDI setups, and I'm not really as comfortable on them. I feel like it's like, you know, like I'm more impatient because it's like I wanna, you know, be quick, but just wait for something to form. So, you know, if this camera wasn't here, I probably would have entered no confirmation, try to get part of this move here. But you know, so yeah, maybe it's a good thing here. Oh, we did we tapped into this 1 hour, like, yeah. So we're looking at scenario 3 here, like continuation longs up to this area right here, because I don't see anything else that price would want to reject off of. Yeah, there's nothing else that price would want to reject off of. Maybe this 15-minute intermediate high, but I want to see like some continuation. So like right here, after this 5-minute candle closes, we tapped into the 1 hour for value gap. If we can inverse this 5-minute right here, I wouldn't be opposed to this trade here, but it is in a premium, so it's kind of lame. And then our target, yeah. So another thing too is that we got, yeah, if this doji forms right here, not even a doji, but we have yeah, our 930 high got taken out, so I do want to see price go back down. And then if we get a oh, yeah, nah, no, no. Well, let's just mark this out just in case. So this is a 5-minute inversion. Yeah, no, this risk to reward is fucked, bro. Hey, when in doubt, wait. It's only 6:33. This is the key level anyways, so I can wait for this to get hit. Yeah. Yeah. Part of me does want to take this like inversion here at the 5-minute. Let's go for a 1-to-1, but it's such a premium. I don't want to be longing from premiums, especially since I have this down here. Like price isn't rejecting off of anything right now, so let's wait. Let us wait. So like this setup right here, this was a potential one. I just didn't like this, especially since we could come back down and rebalance this. But I will be looking for a short off of this 15-minute intermediate high here, so that could work. That could definitely work. Wait, yeah, our 15-minute. this a 15-minute high? Oh, right here. Bang. Ideally, I don't want us to hit it, and then I want come back down and get it in more of a discount. But you know, we'll see what happens. See what happens. I guess I can just mark out this real quick. What line is this? Oh, this is my 930 high. 930 high got taken out. Shorts down to 930 low. And bang, good. Higher time frame real quick. Yeah, okay. Or just go up without me. That is chill. Okay. Let's look on ES. ES is currently in a 1 hour right now though. Yeah, ES is currently in a 1 hour here. And it's respecting it as well. This is my main draw, so if ES takes this out, maybe look for an S&T here. I'm gonna look for NQ. Okay, we have 40 seconds for this candle. Great fill. Respecting the 50% of the zone here. Might be having to look for a 30-second to be honest with you. See, look, I mean, I could do this. If we get candle closure above this high, I'd be down to take it. Well, low has to get made first, but gonna go in here.
Order filled.
Going off of this 30-second CISD. Here my draw, so I went on this something like there. What was it? Bang! I have it right here to this 15-minute high. 24,728. 24,728. Bang! Entry is at 24,691. 691. So this is the trade here for us. So there was candle closure above 30-second here. And then we're gonna go break even at this high if we make it there. But yeah. Give me 1 second.
Order filled.
Just got an order filled, and I have a feeling it is not my TP. Let me check this out. Yeah, so we ended up getting stopped out here, unfortunately, but yeah, it is what it is. Okay, so I do see potential here, but I would need this inversion honestly before if I wanted to re-enter. And I know it's one trade, but I really like this trade idea, and I feel like it was just a resweep. For this next entry, I'll look for a better form of confirmation, if anything. But yeah, see, price is just bouncing off of this 50% of this fair value gap, so it's just, I know it wants to go higher to these intermediate lows. Plus there's nothing that we hit that we're rejecting off of, so like if you look on the 15-minute, yeah, we're not rejecting off of anything. We left relative equal. Yeah, so I want to see. Oh wait, you get it? 30-second. Wait for this 30-second to close. Oh, we were back in the premium. No, wait. Perfect. So I am back in here. We're gonna go for 2. Just
Order filled.
The stop is a little deeper, but yeah. So it's 24.90, 24.79D. What was it? 24.728. Demos right here. Is that right? 24.805. I do want to go break even at the intermediate. Wait, damn, that is deep. Okay. Do you want to go break even at this intermediate? What did I enter? 24,706. Okay, right here. Yeah, I want to go break even at this 15-minute intermediate high, and then yeah, I feel like we can definitely get up to here. Okay, ES. Oh, ES took out the 15-minute intermediate high, so I want to be at break even. No, I feel like I'm gonna move my stop to break even here. I mean, hear me out. So I don't think, yeah. So ES or NQ also took it, but I feel like this daily fair value gap is really the main draw here of the day. So try to let this play out. So I want to see this 1 minute get respected. And then if this 1 minute gets created, I want to see just straight displacement through. Did I leave my stop or did I move it? I moved it. I don't think it'll get here. Yeah, respecting the 15-minute or the 50% of this FEG here. So let me go ahead and just mark this out. Bearish. Yeah, so I want to see this just fucking. Okay, apparently react off of it, but. We are in a 2 minute right now. So I do expect this 2 minute to hold. And I really do want to see this this 1 minute get ran through. If we truly are going to be long in here. Just power through. Power through. Power through. 4 hours gonna close in 7 minutes. I think we can definitely make it up there. That's the thing. Yeah, if we end up inversing here, I'm probably gonna be out. Okay, we got something going. Gotta get a little higher though. Holy shit, bro, what's going on? 4 hours gonna close in. Is that an inverse? Yeah, we end up inversing. I don't want to. Still in this. Oh my gosh, bro. This shit is so stupid. You know, I already placed a trade. I accepted that I already lost it. So there's no reason trying to get out early until I lose it. So, you know, I feel like that's the only mindset to have when trading, is to accept your losses. So yeah, there's this 2 minute now here. Oh, there's not. There's 1 minute here that I do want to see us inverse. Okay, nice displacement through there. Okay, good. break even at this high here. Okay, we're not break even. This is a risk-free trade. The 4 hour is also about to open right now.
Order filled.
Okay, got break even on the second one. I am done for the day. Yeah, we can do a little recap, I guess. But so this first trade that I took, price tapped into this 15 or what's the 50 minute wait, yes, okay, so price hit this 1 hour key level. Where did I put that? 1 hour FEG. So price app tapped into here on market open, and then we it was a 30-second, right? Yeah, right here. So entered off of this 30-second 24,704 24,704. Turn this off for now. And then this was the initial idea. Was it this one? This one still looks like it's working out. Where did I get stopped out from? Oh, CISD play right there. Okay. So We had candle closure above this right here, this high. So 24,688. So initially this was the trade here. Yeah, so initially this was a trade here. We ended up getting stopped out. And then price moved to RTP. A lot of shit happened. So this one, let me just fix this. Wanted to start off the series with a banger, but sometimes you don't get what you want. 15-minute intermediate high here, low right here. This was I think it's called 30 seconds. Yes. Nah, I'm gonna say breaker structure. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna screenshot. I like to screenshot my trades and stuff. So this is the first trade. To screenshot them, put them in. I have a trading journal, but I'll do that off camera. But so yeah, we entered here. We had 30-second breaker structure off of this high here. I entered, stop at the swing low on the 1 minute. We ended up getting stopped out here, but I did like the trade idea, so yeah, so stopped out here. This is the first trade, and then the second trade you just saw, there was a 1 minute inversion. The fill was kind of really weird. Where was it? Yeah, the fill. I mean, we got this. No, yeah, I didn't take that one. I re-entered off of. There was a 30-second inversion right here that I entered off of, but that was the second trade. 30-second inversion. We got the close all the way up here, so it was a little scary. So once price reswept this swing high here, I moved to break even, and yeah. So this took 2 trades today. 1 loss, 1 break even, but it is what it is. It's part of the game. Yeah, that is episode 1. Didn't quite wanted to start off with a dub, but it is what it is. Mitigate my losses. I'm not taking any more trades for the day. Had this not been here, I probably would have taken a couple more, but you know, I'm glad somebody's watching. So that's all for me. I'll see you guys tomorrow.